Your Medicare card is one of the most important cards you'll have for the rest of your life. Watch this video to fully understand how it works and how to read it. Hi, I'm Sylvia Gordon from the Medicare Family. I am the second generation, and I want to talk to you about your Medicare card. So these are the new Medicare cards you should have already received in the mail. They all went out in 2019. And of course, it's going to have your name on it. Now that might seem easy enough, but a lot of you don't go by John L. Smith. You might go by Lynn. So everybody calls you Lynn, and on every document you have except your Medicare card, you sign it as Lynn. When you apply for Medicare insurance, for Medicare supplements, Med Advantage, Part D, you have to match the application up exactly with your Medicare card. So even if the last 50 years you've been known as Lynn, you have to apply as it is on your Medicare card. However you got signed up with Medicare and Social Security, that's how you want to apply for your insurance. Now, if it says John L., you need to do the L. And you're going to go, well, that doesn't make any sense. Because isn't it a numeric system? Don't they match me up by my number and my name is really kind of irrelevant? Well, you'd think so, wouldn't you? That's how it's supposed to work. But no, we've had problems for years with people that didn't have the middle initial, or they put J period Lynn Smith and the right number, and then it got lost in the Medicare system. The new Medicare numbers that came out in 2019 are randomly assigned. So they're not your Social Security as it was for the first 50 years of Medicare. Now you have two dates on your card, Part A and Part B. Part A is everything that happens in the hospital, Part B is everything that's outside the hospital. So you see the dates right here are both the date that John, otherwise known as Lynn, turned 65. That's because most Americans, when they turn 65, they come off of their group insurance and they retire. And we know that's not everybody, because more and more people don't want to quit working because they like it. And a lot of people aren't allowed to quit working because their spouse is younger and the spouse has got to have group insurance still. Or the wife says, no, 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 you're not staying home with me all day. You stay at work, even if we don't need the money. And then there's also people that can't afford to quit, right? They have to keep working. So these dates might not be the same. The first date, Part A, is going to be the date, in most cases, that you turn 65. Okay, so that will be the first day of the month that you turn 65. So this person was March the 1st. That means his birthday could have been any time in March. So his birthday could have been March 12th, like my dad's. And his Medicare would have started on the first day of the month. Now, Part B, this date is going to be whenever you decided to go off your group insurance and sign up for Medicare Part B. Medicare Part B, you have to pay for every month. Medicare Part A, you already paid for while you were working. They took that out of your paycheck the whole time you were working. So that's a brief primer on your Medicare card, one of the most important cards that's in your wallet. Call the Medicare Family when you have questions. We're here to help. Let our family help your family.